guys, so we're out here at Kennywood in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, riding the Phantom's Revenge. This is still one of the tallest, fastest, most amazing roller coasters on the planet. Now, for those of you that don't know, Phantom's Revenge used to be called the Steel Phantom. It was an aero roller coaster with lots of loopy, upside-downy things. And then a few years later, they decided they're going to take out those loopy, upside-downy things and turn this thing into an airtime-filled, awesome, amazing roller coaster. And now we have the Phantom's Revenge here at Kennywood, and we love it. Oh man, here we go. We are at the top of the hill. Ah, crap. Never quite prepared for the amazingness of this coaster. Here we go, guys. No! Ready? Whee! And here we go through the Thunderbolt. Oh my God! Whee! I love it! Oh! Alright, here we go, guys. Now it comes an airtime machine! Oh! Whee! And whee! Whee, number 2! And here we go, around the curve. Get ready for it! Woo! And oh, into the brakes. That kicks ass. Holy crap, I can never prepare for all the airtime on this ride. We absolutely love it.